Hi, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Lee. Together we're Thinkin' Fun NYC. Together we produce community building events for families here in New York City.
We are so excited that the countdown to TNF's Egg Hunt and Bunny Fun 2018 is on!
Coming to one of our 2 egg hunts this year will give families an exclusive photo keepsake you just can't get anywhere else.
Imagine the joy Grandma and Grandpa or loved ones will feel when they see your portrait with the TNF bunny.
And we listen, so this year we have a WeHap for the 0 to under 2 set.
Yes, those little ones really like to relax and hang with those eggs. They're so cute. They sit them on the egg.
And it's like the cutest. So cute. Those are the best photos even before you get to the bunny line.
Exactly. Now on to FAQs.
Number 1, arrive 10 minutes early so you can check in peacefully.
2, we get the question, if I'm late, will there be eggs?
You know what? You need to be on time so you don't miss out on any of the festivities.
3, what do I bring?
I know this one. Bring your best Easter outfit so that you can meet the Easter Bunny, a fully charged camera, and smile.
4, how does the photo op work?
You know, it's great. I'm glad she asked because you're going to use your camera and an Easter associate, that's what we're calling them, will gladly snap the photo for you. And here's the great thing about it. You can always get back in line while you're checking your photos. And if you want to take another one, you can.
You can. If we can answer any other questions, please feel free to call us or email us.
We'll leave the links below.
See you soon.
Take care. Bye-bye.
We're so excited that countdown to TNF's Easter Egg Hunt and Bunny Fun. Oh my God, I'm so cold, and you've got lipstick on your teeth.
We produce something. Now let me just check to make sure.